Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to set up call forwarding on your Android phone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select the phone app on this page and then click. And then once you open up, and then select the three dotted icon on the top right corner. So click this three dot icon. And then next step, then you need now to select this the setting gear button and then click. So here now at call settings, and then you need now to scroll down and then select the supplementary services and then click again. And then here now at supplementary services, and then you need now to select this call forwarding and then click. And then here at call forwarding, so we have two options here, either voice calls and then video calls you want to select. So it depends on your preference. And then we need to select this voice calls for call forwarding and then click. And then here now at voice calls, so we have four options again here that we need to use for call forwardings, like always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and then forward when unreachable. So it depends on your preferences. If you want to call your forwarding, then select one of these. So for example, we will select this forward when busy and then top. And then pop up this notification here that forward when busy, and then you need now to enter this mobile number, for example. And then next, you can see this enabled and then tap this enabled. And you can see guys that forward when busy is already enabled, but if you want to disable this forward calls and then tap again, and then pop up this forward when busy, and next step, then you can disable now this option settings and then tap this disabled. And that's it guys. So you can see now it's already disabled. So if you want to enable or disable, just select one of these and then set up. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on mobile settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for mobile phone tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.